Edward na ang susunod.
Of course. Kaya nga, kinukulit ko nga si Dad to let me help with the company.
Sigurado ka ba sa gusto mo? Kilala natin si Dad. He's not gonna go easy on you.
I'm willing to start from the bottom, just like Kuya Vincent.
I think Vincent has been doing a great job lately. Nag-viral yung news nila about the landslide. Pati yung expose about the Nepo kids na group chat. Wow, everybody's been talking about it.
Arthur, you should be proud of Vincent. Even if he's adopted, he has proven his worth as a Cabrera.
You know what? My problem with the virality is that hindi ito guarantee ng lasting impact. Or true value. Pwedeng sikat na sikat ka ngayon, pero bukas laos ka na, nalimutan ka na ng tao.
And Dad's right. Viral moments come and go. But it could spark a conversation, raise awareness, and minsan, yun lang naman talaga ang kailangan natin for change.
Ready na ba yung cake?
The program's about to start. Let's go.